Have you ever felt something deep inside you trying to be heard? A quiet voice, a feeling in your gut, a pull toward something unknown. We often listen to the loudest thoughts in our minds. But true wisdom is found in the whispers, the subtle nudges that shows us where we need to grow, heal, and open our hearts. Most of us live in a world that values noise, quick decisions, and constant movement. But if we only listen to the surface level thoughts racing through our minds, we might miss the deeper messages our soul is trying to send. There is a part of you that already knows where you are meant to go, a part of you that senses what needs to change, what you need to let go of, and what you are meant to become. The problem is that voice often speaks softly through a quiet discomfort, a deep longing, or a feeling of resistance. When you ignore these signals, they don't disappear. They show up in different ways, in fatigue, in frustration, in feeling stuck. But when you start paying attention, when you sit with your emotion instead of running from them, you unlock a whole new way of being. Your body speaks in subtle ways, a tightening in your chest, a sense of relief, a quiet excitement. These are all signs guiding you toward your truth. The more you listen, the more you awaken to your own inner wisdom. And when you trust that wisdom, life starts flowing in ways you never imagined. Challenge of the day. Take 5 minutes today to sit in silence. Close your eyes, take deep breath, and simply notice what thoughts and emotions arise. What is your body trying to tell you? Write it down, honor what comes up, and trust that your inner self is always guiding you. The answers you seek are already within you. You don't have to search endlessly outside of yourself, you just need to listen. The quietest voices often hold the deepest truth. Be still, be present, and let yourself hear what your soul has been whispering all along.